When you talk electric cars, Tesla's Model Y is always in the spotlight. It's the vehicle that seems to define what a modern EV should be, blending cutting-edge technology with everyday usability. It's not just an SUV, it's a rolling computer, updated over the air like your phone. Tesla pushes new features and improvements straight to your driveway, so your car keeps getting smarter over time. Inside, you'll find radical minimalism, no buttons, just a massive touchscreen that controls everything. Climate, navigation, entertainment, and even driving settings are all at your fingertips, making the cabin feel futuristic and uncluttered. The Model Y feels more like a gadget than a car, and that's a huge part of its appeal. It's designed for tech lovers, but it's also intuitive enough for anyone to enjoy. Performance? Even the base model is quick, with instant torque that makes city driving fun and highway merging effortless. But the performance version is supercar fast, 0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds. Practicality is clever too. A front trunk for extra storage, a panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with light, and even a 7-seat option for families or those who need more space. The flexibility is impressive. Tesla's supercharger network is a game changer, letting you road trip with confidence. Fast charging means less waiting and more exploring. No more range anxiety, just plug in and go. Charging is simple, quick, and integrated into the Tesla experience. The Model Y's ecosystem, car, software, and charging sets it apart. Everything works together seamlessly, from your phone to your car to the charging network. It's a global success because it's more than a car. It's a tech experience that's changing how people think about driving. Tesla's approach has forced the whole industry to catch up, pushing competitors to innovate faster than ever before. The Model Y is the benchmark for electric SUVs, setting standards in tech, performance, and convenience. If you want the future now, this is it. The Model Y is proof that the future of driving is already here. The bar has been raised, and the world is watching what comes next. When Ford put the Mustang badge on an electric SUV, people were skeptical, including me. The idea of turning a muscle car icon into a family-friendly EV seemed almost unthinkable at first. Many wondered if it could ever live up to the Mustang name, or if it would just be another electric crossover in a crowded market. But the Mustang Mach-E delivers. It's got soul, style, and serious performance. It's not just quick, it's genuinely thrilling to drive, with instant torque and a planted feel that surprises you every time you hit the accelerator. It blends Mustang DNA, aggressive looks, sharp handling, with electric innovation. The design cues are unmistakable, and the driving dynamics are tuned for excitement, not just efficiency. The Mach-E is fun to drive, with engaging steering and even a synthetic engine growl for nostalgia. It's a car that makes you smile, whether you're cruising downtown or carving up a back road. Inside, it balances tech and tradition, a big touchscreen plus tactile controls like a real volume knob. The interface is intuitive, and you still get those satisfying physical touches that remind you it's a driver's car. The cabin feels premium, built by people who know cars. Options abound: rear or all-wheel drive, standard or extended range, so you can tailor the Mach-E to your lifestyle and driving needs. And for true performance fans, the GT model brings even more power and excitement, pushing the boundaries of what an electric SUV can do. The Mach-E proves the old guard can build an exciting electric car. It's a bridge between generations, showing that heritage and innovation can coexist. It's a nod to the past, but it rockets into the future. The Mach-E is proof that electrification doesn't mean losing character or excitement. Ford's electric Mustang is more than a name, it's a statement. It's a bold move that redefines what a Mustang can be in the modern era. The spirit of the Mustang is alive and well. Electric muscle is here, and it's ready for the next generation of drivers. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is a showstopper, retro-inspired but straight out of the future. Its sharp lines and pixelated lights make it look like a concept car on the road. Underneath, Hyundai's eGMP platform brings cutting-edge tech, including an 800-volt system for ultra-fast charging. 18 minutes from 10% to 80%, that's coffee break quick. The interior is a lounge on wheels, flat floor, sliding console, and reclining seats for true comfort. It's designed for living, not just driving. The Ioniq 5's vehicle-to-load feature lets you power gadgets, tools, or even a campsite. It's a mobile power bank, not just a car. Hyundai is rethinking what a car can be: practical, innovative, and fun. The Ioniq 5 stands out in a crowded field. It's proof that electric cars can have personality and purpose. The future looks pixel perfect. Why are electric SUVs winning over families? Space, first and foremost. No bulky engine means more room for passengers, flat floors, and clever storage like a front trunk. For families, that extra space is a game changer. Zero tailpipe emissions mean cleaner air and a healthier environment. The tech is top-notch: big touchscreens, advanced driver assists, and seamless phone integration. These features make driving safer, easier, and more fun. The drive itself is smooth, silent, and relaxing. No engine noise, just instant torque. Acceleration is effortless, and the serenity is addictive. Once you try it, traditional cars feel old-fashioned. Electric SUVs combine comfort, capability, and conscience. It's a new standard for family vehicles. It's not all smooth sailing. Electric SUVs have challenges. Range anxiety is real, especially for long trips, but most models easily cover daily needs. Road trips require planning. Know your charging stops and allow extra time. Upfront cost is higher, mainly due to expensive batteries. Incentives help, but it's still a big investment. However, running costs are much lower. Charging at home is cheap, and maintenance is minimal. Fewer moving parts mean fewer repairs. Over time, the savings add up, making electric SUVs more affordable in the long run. Charging is the key to electric car ownership. Most people charge at home overnight, convenient and covers daily driving. Long trips depend on public chargers, which are growing but can be hit or miss. Different speeds, payment systems, and reliability can be confusing. Rapid chargers are essential for road trips, adding 100+ miles in 20-30 minutes. Investment is pouring into better, faster, and more accessible charging stations. Payment is getting easier, and the network is improving fast. Soon, charging on the go will be as easy as filling up with petrol. So, is an electric SUV worth it in 2026? It depends on your needs. Weigh the higher purchase price against long-term savings on fuel and maintenance. If you drive a lot and can charge at home, the savings add up quickly. Off-street parking makes home charging easy. Otherwise, public charging is less convenient. For some, waiting for better infrastructure and battery tech makes sense. But the value isn't just financial. Quiet, smooth driving, and lower emissions improve quality of life. Test drive a few models and see what fits. For many, the answer is already yes. The numbers, tech, and benefits are hard to ignore. Electric SUVs are becoming the smart choice. The electric SUV isn't a fad, it's the future of the family car. More models are coming, driving prices down and tech up. Solid-state batteries are on the horizon, faster charging, longer range, and better safety. Imagine 300 miles of range in 10 minutes, or 500 miles on a single charge. Range anxiety will disappear. Cars will connect to the grid, selling power back and stabilizing energy use. Your SUV could earn you money while parked. The electric SUV is changing our relationship with cars. The roar of engines is giving way to the silent hum of progress. It's a cleaner, smarter, and more exciting era. We're witnessing the dawn of a new age. Electric SUVs are leading the charge,